we'll guide you through how to download and install an Android emulator for a PC or a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do, as you can then go and have an Android device on your computer basically. So to go and get started, head into the description or the pinned comment of this video. There you'll go and see a link. Go and click on it and this will take you straight to the emulator we're using. This is an affiliate link which supports the channel at no cost to you. So once you're on the site, we're going to be using an emulator called BlueStacks. It's really good. As you can see, here we are. You can click on see all versions. I like to go and get BlueStacks 5, so click there and it'll go and download. Come and open up your file explorer, click on downloads over to the left, and you can then go and run the installer. You'll get a Windows security pop-up. It will say checking your system, and we can then click on install now. Make sure you read and agree to the terms of use I already have, and it will start downloading. It will do multiple different downloads, and it will then start checking your system requirements, and it will say extracting files, and it will then automatically start the install process, so just keep waiting. When it finishes, it will automatically open up. As you can see, here we are, we're now using Android. So you go and use your mouse and keyboard as your fingers essentially. So here we've got the system apps we can go and use. If you need to get to the settings, you can get to them on the bottom right, and you've got some other useful tools as well. So I can go and open the Play Store and start getting apps. You will need to go and sign in,